Hello, my name is Hannah and I'm here at Pennyroyal Ford. I'm the marketing and loyalty coordinator here. I am going to show you in a little bit how to actually activate your FordPass app, but I want to first talk to you about why you should do this. One being that you'll get FordPass Rewards points from any new Ford that you purchase. You're going to get a lot of points and that gives you free stuff. Okay, so it gives you free stuff for service, parts, accessories, whatever you want to use it on. Also, another cool thing about the FordPass app is it has got a modem. And what that modem does is it connects to your vehicle and it allows you to start, lock, and unlock your vehicle from anywhere you are. Today we're going to be going over how to download, create an account, and activate your FordPass. The first thing you want to do is actually look for the app in your app store on your mobile device and download the app on your phone. In this step, you're going to either want to sign in or create an account. Please fill in the information needed. Also, double check for spelling errors. You will then be asked to add the vehicle. You can do this by typing in the VIN number or taking a picture of the VIN number sticker that is located on the side of your door. For this next step, you will need to go into your vehicle and start the engine. Now that you are inside your vehicle and the vehicle is actually started, you can then press the Vehicle Details button. Now that you are on the Vehicle Details page, you can then press the Activate Vehicle, which is another blue button underneath the image of your vehicle. Now you will have a lot of pop-ups, either yes, agree, continue, allow, all of that stuff. All it's asking for is to connect your device to the vehicle. Thank you so much for watching. We really hope that this was helpful. Here is some information for you in case you ran into any trouble during this process. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our social media and YouTube platforms. We would really like to know whether this was actually helpful to you or not. Also, thank you so much and congratulations on your new vehicle. We really hope you enjoy yourself and have some fun. Have an awesome day.